Do you really want to lose that belly fat? Then you need to change your psychology about your lifestyle by staying hydrated and nourished. Hi guys, if this is your first time watching my channel, my name is Christina. Welcome back to Lifestyle with Christina channel. Today I'll be talking about how to lose belly fat in 21 days. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps boost your metabolism, and by adding lemon juice cleans toxins in the body. Research has shown that drinking 8 glasses of water or even more every day can cut out excess fat in the body, because water alone can cut out about 100 to 150 calories in the body, which is about 4 pounds of your weight. Water helps in digestion. Drinking water before eating can make you feel fuller, which will ultimately make you eat lesser food. And lesser food results to less calories. Furthermore, you need to replace all kinds of sugary beverages, including alcohol, because they are high in calories. Water can help you cut back on sugar. Are you overwhelmed about your diet? Maybe. Diet plays a vital role in your weight loss plan. Are you falling into supermarket trap? Then you need to list out your major needs rather than going to the supermarket buying unwanted and unhealthy foods. Cook your meals by yourself in order to have a proper diet. Avoid junk food, fast food, salty snacks, and candy. Replace your food with nuts, fruits, vegetables, meat, egg, and all kinds of protein food. Avoid intake of sugar in your diet. If you are the type that takes cereals for your meal, replace your cereals with oatmeal because it is high in fiber and antioxidants. Rather than taking milkshake or flavored yogurt, replace it with Greek yogurt. According to Eric Hadamant, the number one causes of preventable illness is what you eat. Eat slowly, chew your food properly, and don't overeat. Turning off TVs or phones while eating is the best because they cause distraction, which leads to overeating, and overeating results in excess weight gain. Sleeping well is another key way to get rid of belly fat, because research has shown that if you are not getting enough sleep, it is associated with excess weight gain. Late night sleep results in late night snacks. Do you struggle to lose that fat? Then you need to reduce your stress. Studies have shown that stress can cause you to gain weight around the abdomen, especially women. If you are being stressed, the brain sends signals to the adrenal glands, which release the hormone called cortisol. The fact about this hormone called cortisol is that it increases hunger, which make you call for unhealthy foods, and all this food causes abdominal fat. Another thing about this hormone called cortisol is that it makes your body hold on to fat. So, if you're stressed, you need to go for a massage. Finally, exercise. Study has shown that you should exercise at least 1 hour every day. But you need to know the kind of fat you're getting rid of and your health status before you proceed in exercise. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.